NFL Sunday Ticket is a premium sports package that lets you watch all out-of-market NFL regular season Sunday afternoon games that are not available on your local broadcast in your area, CBS or Fox affiliate. In this video, we'll cover what games are included with NFL Sunday Ticket. First, what exactly is an out-of-market game? An out-of-market game is an NFL regular season game that is not available through your local broadcast station. For example, let's say it's a Sunday of the 2024 NFL season and you live in Dallas, but also want to watch the Sunday afternoon Carolina Panthers game. The Panthers game is not being televised locally in Dallas on Fox or CBS on that Sunday, making it an out-of-market game, meaning you'll have to watch it through NFL Sunday Ticket. Subscribing to NFL Sunday Ticket allows you to watch the Panthers game, along with other Sunday afternoon out-of-market regular season games. When you add NFL Sunday Ticket to a YouTube TV base plan, you can watch locally broadcast games on CBS and Fox, nationally televised games on CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, and out-of-market Sunday games throughout the regular season. Check out the video link in the description to get a full overview of what you get with NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV with a base plan and on YouTube as a standalone primetime channel. What games are not included with NFL Sunday Ticket for the 2024 NFL season? NFL regular season games that are played on any other day of the week but Sunday. There are some Sunday regular season games that aren't available with NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV or YouTube, such as streaming exclusive games such as ESPN Plus, early international games on NFL Network, Sunday night football games on NBC, and locally broadcast Sunday afternoon regular season games on CBS and Fox. NFL Sunday Ticket does not include NFL postseason games. For more information on what games are available with NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV and YouTube, check out the links in the description. Subscribe to YouTube Viewers for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.